Claude AI can integrate with Notion through connectors available in the Claude desktop app. This connection allows Claude to access selected Notion workspaces, enabling AI-assisted note management, content generation, and workflow automation. This tutorial outlines the steps to link both platforms. What the integration does: connecting Claude to Notion allows the AI to read and interact with content in your Notion workspace. Depending on the connector permissions, Claude may be able to summarize notes, draft new pages, or assist with organizing information directly within Notion. Steps to connect Claude AI to Notion. First, open the Claude desktop app on your computer. This works on both Windows and Mac. Ensure you are logged into your Claude account before continuing. Once the app is open, look for the Customize option. This is typically found in the menu next to Skills. Inside Customize, locate a section called Connectors. This section allows you to link Claude with other tools, such as Notion, Google Drive, or Slack. Click on Connectors. You will see a list of available connectors. Click Browse Connectors at the top right. Type Notion in the search bar and press Enter. Scroll through the list until you find Notion, then click on it to begin the setup process. You will be prompted to authorize the connection. This requires logging into your Notion account, follow the on-screen steps, enter your login details, and continue. After logging in, you will be asked to select the Notion workspace you want to connect. Choose the appropriate workspace and confirm your selection. Once all permissions and workspace selections are confirmed, the connection will be established. Claude is now linked with Notion. Limitation: the specific features available through the Claude Notion connector depend on the version of the desktop app and your Claude subscription tier. Some connectors may require a paid plan. Notion access permissions must be granted during setup, and Claude will only be able to access workspaces or pages you explicitly authorize. This integration is best suited for users who want to leverage AI assistance for note-taking, content drafting, or information retrieval within Notion. Conclusion: connecting Claude AI to Notion involves opening the Claude desktop app, navigating to Settings and Connectors, searching for Notion, authorizing the connection through your Notion account, and selecting the desired workspace. Once linked, Claude can interact with selected Notion content based on the connector's permissions and capabilities.